Hello friends, I am Akshay Hedao. I am the intern in the Sparks Foundation for Data Science, and the task which I am presenting is the timeline analysis of COVID-19. And in this, I have chosen Asia as a region and India as a country to showcase the COVID cases. So let us begin. This is the dashboard which I have built using the Power BI tool, and this is the data which I have collected from the data set and downloaded into the Power BI tool. So we can see that the total cases for the Asian countries is 54 million, that the total deaths were 751,000, and the new cases. So new cases, guys, were registered on 15th of June, that is 136,000. Then the new deaths were 3,683, and the number of countries which is 50, and the average population is 100 million. And this is the slicer tool, slicer visualization, which I have selected, and where we can see all the Asian countries, that is Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain. So now let us begin with analysis of COVID-19 for India as a country. Now let me select India. Okay, so data is loading. We can see from here the data is loading. Yeah, so now we can see this table. In this, the date wise, the total cases, total deaths, new cases and new deaths which were being registered. And in this, guys, I have taken 15th of every month as a date, wherein we can see the total cases, total deaths and new cases and new deaths from 15th of February 2020 till 15th of June 2021. So we can see over here, friends, the total cases registered till 15th of June were 2 crore 96 lakhs, that is approximately 2 crore 97 lakhs. The total deaths till 15th of June were 3 lakh 80,000, and on 15th of June the new cases which were registered were 62,224, and the new deaths 2,542. Now coming to this chart, the total cases and the deaths by date. This is from January 30, 2020 till 14 June, sorry, 15 June 2021. We can see the total cases and the deaths. This blue line represents the deaths and this orange line represents the total cases. So we can see the deaths as well as the total cases were sharply increasing. We can see from January, March, and from March it was sharply increasing the total cases and the total deaths, and on 15th of June the total cases were registered, as I mentioned, 2 crore 97 lakhs, and the total deaths were 3 lakh 80,000 approximately. So this we can see that it was sharply increasing from the month of May till June. Now let us come on this visualization, that is the new cases by death. Again, it is from the January 2020 till June 2021, 15th of June. We can see from here, guys, on September 15th, 2020, the highest number of cases were registered, that is 90,000, and then it was decreasing. We can see in the month of January, in the month of January and February, the cases were decreasing, and then again the cases were increasing from the April and in May. So on May, guys, May 4th, 2021, sorry, 6th of May, we registered 4 lakh cases, 6th or 7th of May. And this is the visualization of new deaths by date. Again, this is from the January 2020 till 15th of June, we can see the deaths were increasing in the month of September 4, 2020, that is 1000, and then it was again decreasing. So we can see January 16, 181 deaths were registered, and then again it started increasing and it was again decreasing, but sharp rise was on 10th of June, that is 7,374 cases, new deaths were been registered, and then again it was decreasing. So this is the area field chart which I have used to build the visualization. Now let us come on the vaccination in the India region, India as a country. The data is loading as we can see. So over here I have used total vaccinations which were registered till 15th of June, that is 26.16 million. Then the total total test were 380. Then people who were fully vaccinated, that is they have taken both the doses, are 47 lakhs. And from this donut chart we can see the median age group is the highest in India as a country, that is 75% of the population belongs to the median age. Then coming down to 65 plus older, 65 aged older people are close to 16%, and the least number of population is 70 plus aged people, that is approximately 9 percentage. Now coming down to this visualization, people who are fully vaccinated, people vaccinated, and total vaccinations by date. Here we can see this green line. This green line represents the people who are fully vaccinated, and it is quite increasing, which is good for the India. And this middle line, light green, represents the people who are vaccinated, that is they have taken the single dose, and which is also increasing from January 2021. And this orange line represents the total vaccinations which has been done in India, that is close to 46 crore. So people who were total fully vaccinated for 46 crore, and people who have just done the vaccination and the total vaccination. Now coming to this bar chart, this represents the new vaccinations by month, and in the month of June we can see the highest number of new vaccinations, that is 52 lakhs, and it is quite increasing from January, February, March, April, and in June it has been quite increasing, which is quite good for the India as a country. Now I would like to show you the comparison uh, between the India as a country with Asian countries. Now coming back to, let me select all the countries first. Okay, the data is loading. Yes, so I have selected all the countries, that is 50. And coming down to this visualization, the comparison, I have used the race chart, animated race chart, which I have downloaded from the Power BI apps. So we can see it has been quite increasing. The total cases by Asian countries and the total deaths by Asian countries. So we can see the India seems to be on the toppest for the total cases as well as for the total deaths. And Jordan seems to be the least. Over here now the Japan has come to the seventh position. Okay, so finally Japan seems to be at the bottom for the total cases, which is 7,47,000, and Jordan seems to be the at the bottom, that is 9,462 deaths by Asian countries. So again, India seems to be the top at the total cases as well as the total deaths in the Asian countries. So these are the top 10 countries which I have selected among the Asian countries, that is 50 countries, for the total cases and the total deaths. And this is the data which I have accumulated, which I have extracted into the Power BI tool. So that's all from my end, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.